Hey, to pair your Sony earbuds with your Android tablet, first of all you have to input them inside the charging case. Then open this case, rotate, find this button, then click and hold on this button until this indicator starts blinking blue. So keep holding, it will take around 5 seconds. Now you can release this button and keep that case open, put it close to your Android tablet, and then just go to the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, then turn them on by tapping on the switcher, and from available devices list you have to select your Sony WF-C700N. So click on them once, then accept the pairing request, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. There's also a second way to plug them to the Sony Headphones application, and I have separate video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you how to do this step by step. So right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all, bye bye!